Do you want to delete voice recording on Apple Watch? So if you recorded some audio on your Apple Watch and now you want to delete them, then this video is going to walk you through steps by step on how to delete voice recording on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete voice recording on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is go ahead and press the digital crown to exit the watch face. Once you press the digital crown, you'll be taken to the app menu on your Apple Watch. On the app menu, scroll down until you get to voice memo. So this is a voice memo. And if you couldn't find the voice memo easily, you can switch between list view and then grid view. So this is grid view. You can just scroll down and select list view to see the voice memos. So once you found the voice memos, click on it. Then on the voice memos page, just like this, if you scroll down, you're going to have access to all your recorded audios. Now, to delete all these recordings, all you just need to do is swipe left on the records. Then you're going to see delete. Go ahead and tap delete, which is the trash icon. They're going to see what that says. These particular recordings will be deleted permanently. Then go ahead and click on delete. Now I want to repeat this on all your recordings on your Apple Watch voice memos. And once you've deleted all the recordings, then you are good to go. So that is basically how to delete voice records on Apple Watch. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.